Okay, here we go. Let's try one with 2.2 battles. Bye-bye. Let's never see them again. Okay, welcome to the world famous jungle cocoon. One night when I'm going to be super but exhausted Saturday and terrible magic night. But for your safety, please remake this for the whole trip. And please keep your whole body inside the bowl. Don't put your arm or elbow outside the bowl or on the side of the boat. And this is the water ride so you may get wet. Please take care of your electronic device and watch your children. If you understand that we will now start our journey. And we will now see this arch, and that is the Thai Century House. But now he's traveling, so we can't visit him now. If you want to visit him after he's back, you will take the route on this side. But remember that once we to the tree house, there are a lot of hungry crocodiles in this river. Okay, we're now traveling the longest river in the world. It's at least 4,000 kilometers long, but don't worry, I know a shortcut and we will be there very soon. And we will see uppercut the modern elephant and baby elephant waiting for us in the entrance. And she's teaching him how to use this trunk. Can you see? Isn't it cute? And we may see this side that the brother elephant taking shower. And he's just on the water for too long. Look at those branches. There is an elephant trying to get his friend. Somebody watch out! Okay. That must be the best haircut ever found out. I think he's coming up again. Okay, don't worry. He's just joking. He's just joking. Don't worry. Now we're entering to the ancient temple. Okay, you see those big spiders? They can jump anything. But they only can feed away us, so they jump still jump right over. So don't worry. And we will see just the escort in this temple and those that support having the elephant god. And they're the most dangerous and poisonous there in the world. And we may see there is another one. So let's leave this temple quickly. This temple is too dangerous. As we reach the temple, we will see there are a lot of hungry crocodiles waiting for us. So please keep your arm or elbow inside the boat, or they may kill us and fight all day. Up ahead is the camp of Professor Potential. But these cannons will take back gorillas. So many gorillas. And one of them told us, God, everybody watch out! Oh no! He's something for us, that thing is. And now, welcome to the beautiful Africa. And we may see there are zebras, giraffes, and African elephants. And this elephant is the second most fierce animal in the jungle. But who is the most fierce? Oh yeah, that's his wife, and that's the most fierce animal in the jungle. And now we'll be entering to a pool of dangerous people. They are 6,000-pound creatures. And also, they do better. They're more for you this many. Because they didn't brush their teeth. And those people have been one of them, and then, so here they are. But we can't save them now, because now our boat is already full of people. We just can't save them. Just let them hang on. And we will save them next time, but we're leaving them now. You see those scouts who are entering the village of hunters. But they should be hanging outside. Just keep quiet. Hope they won't find us. Oh no, they found us. Everybody get down, get down. Wow. Okay, is everybody alright? Does anyone get hurt? Does anyone lost your head? Okay, it seems everybody's head is still here. Then we can get back to the door now. I'm ahead the door and we will be back there very soon. Oh, let's do this. I'm ahead. Everybody hold on. And we're there to the forbidden project of God. Oh no. here. We're gonna find what's the name? We're gonna find this every now. No. Fire. Then our escape as defaulted by water down. No, it's too dangerous. Okay, don't worry, we're safe now. We'll be safe about the God of Water. And we're back to the dog safety service. But before that, David Elephant is still working for us. And he thinks that we're very safe in complete our adventure. So let's say goodbye to the baby elephant. We'll meet you next time. Bye-bye. Okay. We are getting to the door now, but before that, please remind that please remain seated. And please don't put your arm or elbow on the sound bowl. Yes, please don't put your arm or elbow on the gray area. Yes. Okay, we will be back to the dock very soon. If you enjoy this stream, please remember I'm bad. But if you don't, just forget me and be as a nice there. But please don't leave my boat until my boat is stopped. Please stop when we get back to the dock. And please leave my boat to the accelerator at the end. Don't climb through this window. Sorry, break my windows. Okay, let's get back to the dock now. Please just give me a few seconds to stop my boat. Okay. And please leave my boat to the accelerator at the end. Okay, my boat will be stopped in 5, 4, 3, 2, and finally, 1.